Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notification. Now I am going to discuss May 15, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. What is the value package that was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to revive the Indian economy under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, that is self-reliant of India, that is 20 lakh crore rupees. While addressing the nation on May 12, 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced rupees 20 lakh crore stimulus package equivalent to 10% of India's GDP. This package is an effort to revive the Indian economy, which is facing a downward trend due to the lockdown imposed due to the COVID-19. These details was given by our Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Next question. The Tanjavur Niti works and Arambhavur wood carvings from Tamil Nadu and Telangana Tilia Rumal cloth are added to GI tag along with Sorai Khovar painting of which Indian city? That is Jharkhand. Geographical Indications Registry, headquarters located in Chennai of Tamil Nadu, has granted GI tag for 4 new products from 3 states, that is Jharkhand, Sorai Khovar painting, a traditional and ritualistic art, and Telangana's Thilia Rumal cloth, homemade work with cotton loom, that is homemade work with cotton loom cloth, and Tanjavuru Niti works, that is pith works, and Ambarvuru wood carvings from the state of Tamil Nadu are the latest additions in the GI list. Okay. Next question. Along with which organization the ICMR has initiated a population-based sero survey in selected districts to monitor COVID-19 prevalence, that is National Center for Disease Control. If you talk about this National Center for Disease Control, headquarters located in New Delhi of India, director is Sujit Kumar Singh. This ICMR and NDC are set to initiate the population-based sero survey in selected districts in collaboration with the key stakeholders and state health departments so as to monitor the trend of COVID-19 infection at district level, as there is a need to establish systematic surveillance of SARS-CoV-2 infection in all districts of the country. Next question. Which division of Southern Railway has partnered with Kerala Circle of Postal Department for door delivery and pick-up parcels to help the public during the lockdown? That is Thiruvananthapuram. This Thiruvananthapuram division of Southern Railway and Kerala Circle of Postal Department has initiated a first its kind to establish tie-up with a door delivery and pickup of parcels to help the public during the lockdown. Next one. Name the places of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, that is Pak occupied Kashmir, has been included in Indian Meteorological Department IMD weather forecasting for the first time, that is Gilgit-Baltistan and Mirpur. Of these 2 regions were included in the Meteorological Department of Weathercast forecasting. If you talk about Indian Meteorological Department, headquarters located in New Delhi, its parent organization is Ministry of Earth Sciences, Director General is Dr. Mrutyunjay Mohapatra. Next, this is the first response sheet. In that, the Regional Meteorological Center of Indian Meteorological Department has included the areas of Gilgit Baltistan, and which are parts of the Pak-occupied Kashmir. In its weather forecasting for the first time, the department taken this decision as it says that it is a part of India and the country always maintains its position that Pak-occupied Kashmir belongs to India. Okay, next one. Name the organization which launched the musical creation United We Fight, written and composed by Joel Alvarez, that is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. If you talk about this Indian Council for Cultural Relations, headquarters located in New Delhi, President is Vinay Sahasrabudhe, Director General is Akhilesh Mishra. Next one, name the Indian state which has highest number of under 5 and neonatal deaths in 2017 as per sub-national mapping of under 5 and neonatal mortality trends in India, the Global Burden Disease Study 2000 to 2017. The state is Uttar Pradesh. These are the proportion of total deaths in under 5A attributable to malnutrition and its components of 2017. If you under this child and malnutrition category, both boys and girls occupy 68.2%. Low birth weight and short gestation, that is 46.1%. Stunning wasting underweight, that is 21.4%. Vitamin A deficiency 5.29%. Zinc deficiency 0.42%. Next one. What is the grant that was provided by Shanghai-based BRICS New Development Bank as loan to India to fight COVID-19 of May 2020, that is $1 billion US. In order to provide a financial aid to Indian economy, which is facing human and social and economic losses due to COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, the New Development Bank of India, that is BRICS Bank, consists of the Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa countries, has fully disbursed $1 billion emergency assistance loan to India. Okay. Next one. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, of which country has promised USD of 3.6 million to India to combat against the COVID-19. That is United States of America. If you talk about CDC, that is Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Director General is Robert O. Redfield. Principal Deputy Director is Anish Shuchat. Founder is Joseph Mountain. Founded in July 1st, 1946. Headquarters located in Alanta. Next one. The Madhya Pradesh government has relaunched Sambal Yojana to strengthen the lives of the poor and Dalit communities. Who is Governor of Madhya Pradesh? Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Lalji Tandon. If you talk about CM, he is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next one. V. Vidyavati has been appointed as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, who is newly appointed Chief of Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE with effect from May 12, 2020. He is Manoj Azuha. If you talk about UPSC, Chairman is Arvind Saxena. Secretary is Vasudha Mishra. Headquarters located in New Delhi. As a part of bureaucratic reshuffle, Manoj Suha, senior IAS officer, is appointed as the new chief of CBSE, that is Central Board of Secondary Education, that is Anurag Jain as the vice chairman of Delhi, and Vidyavati as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Next one. Akhil Kumar, the former boxer of India, has been re-inducted into National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA disciplinary panel. Who is DG of NADA? Director General. That is Director General of NADA. He is Naveen Agarwal. We talk about NADA. Headquarters located in New Delhi. Director General is already we discussed, that is Naveen Agarwal. Motto is Play Fair. Former Commonwealth Games gold winning Indian boxer Akhil Kumar of 39 years old was re-inducted into National Doping Agency, that is NADA disciplinary panel. He was formerly in the panel from 2017 to 19. Next one. Name the Indian airport which has won the SkyTax Award 2020 for the best regional airport in India and Central Asia, that is Kempe Gowda International Airport of Bangalore. This Kempe Gowda International Airport, which is located in Bangalore of Karnataka, has won the SkyTax Award for the best regional airport in India and Central Asia. It ranks 68th in the world Top 100 Airport 2020 list, which was topped by Singapore Shanghai Airport. This is our Kempe Gowda Airport. These are the rankings. Singapore of Shanghai Airport occupies in first rank, and in second place Tokyo Handy Airport of Japan, and in third place Hamad International Airport of Qatar, and in 68th place our Bangalore Kempe Gowda International Airport, which occupies 68th rank. Next one. The committee under the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee has recommended to ban use of streptomycin and tetracycline drugs on crops. The streptomycin is a drug used to treat to which disease, that is tuberculosis. What is the rank of India in World Economic Forum of Global Energy Transition Index ETI 2020, which was topped by Sweden, that is our India's rank is 74th rank. According to the World Economic Forum WF's Global Energy Transition Index 2020, India has moved up 2 places from the rank of 76th in 2020 to 74th with a score of 51.5%, whereas Sweden occupies first position with 74.2% for the third consecutive time, followed by the Switzerland, that is 73.4%. Then next is Finland with 72.4%. The index is a composite score of 40 indicators benchmarks of 115 countries and the current performance of their energy system. These are the rankings. India occupies 74th rank, Sweden occupies first rank, Switzerland occupies second rank, Finland occupies third rank. Next question. The Sundaram Medical Foundation of TVS Group with IIT has jointly developed a low-cost automated respiratory assistance device named Sundaram Venzitano, that is IIT Madras. If we talk about TVS Group's headquarters located in Chennai of Tamil Nadu, Chairman and Managing Director is Venu Srinivasan. Director and CEO is K.N. Radhakrishnan. Next one. The astronomers of which university has discovered a new super Earth planet? That is University of Canterbury. If we talk about this university, chairman and professor is Ian Wright. He is Deputy Vice Chancellor. Secretary is Ellery Nogat, located in Christchurch of New Zealand, established in 1873. Next question. The scientists of South African and US use of which telescope to solve the mystery of X-shaped galaxies. That is Mirket. Manmeet Singh Walia, who passed away recently, is associated with which sports? He is associated with table tennis. Next question. Busy Regina Norris, who is news recently, she is a renowned singer. Next one. Name the ministry which has launched Champions Portal, a technology-driven control room cum management information system, that is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, that is MSMEs. Next one. Name the Indian city which has launched Hope Portal to help unemployed youth of state, that is Uttarakhand. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Trivendra Singh Rawat, launched Hope, that is helping out people everywhere, a portal to create employment opportunities for the youth in their expertise and provide skill development opportunities. If you talk about Uttarakhand, state was formed on 9th November 2000. Capital is Dehradun, that is winter capital. Girshen, that is summer capital. Chief Minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Governor is Baby Rani Mayuri. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me guys. Please follow me regularly. I am uploading along with static GK in each and every question, which is very important for competitive exams. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.